Hello everyone, this is the 1/400 scale diecast Gemini Jets Delta Airlines Airbus A330-941. This model is produced by Gemini Jets in 2023, with the aircraft sporting the Delta Airlines Special Olympic livery for the 2022 Winter Olympics. The aircraft is powered by two Rolls Royce Trent 7000 high bypass turbofans, producing up to about 72,000 pounds force or 324 kilonewtons combined. Each aircraft has a capacity of 460 passengers, depending on seating configuration. This aircraft has a maximum speed of 496 knots, or 918 kilometers an hour, with a range of about 7,200 nautical miles, or 13,300 kilometers. As a note for collectors, Gemini Jets has also made a special release of this same aircraft in 1/200 scale back in 2022. This A330-941 was originally delivered to Delta Airlines in 2021, given the registration of November 411DX. Originally, it sported the current Onward and Onward livery that Delta Airlines adopted after its merger with Northwest Airlines. A mere 8 months after delivery, in December 2021, the aircraft's paint scheme was updated with the special livery as seen on the model for the 2022 Winter Olympics. As the official airline for the United States Olympic Committee, this aircraft was selected to fly Team USA to the 2022 Winter Olympics. Before and after the Olympics, this aircraft has mostly been used on international routes between Seattle and Haneda airports, and New York to European airports. This aircraft has also occasionally been used for domestic routes for Delta Airlines, and as of 2023, this aircraft continues flying passengers for Delta. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you want to keep up with our video feed, please hit that black subscribe button below your screen. Right now, over 80% of our viewers are not subscribers, so if you do not want to miss these videos, please subscribe. If you want to watch other videos, please select one of the links shown here. Thank you and good day.